Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a battery on a Garmin Vivoactive HR. First, you need to get some heat. On the edge of the screen, go around with the heat gun. Don't use too much heat because you will end up burning the LCD. Just enough to get the adhesive off the screen. Should be good enough. Next, I usually start on the opposite of the buttons. Go ahead and go into the screen. Work your way around. Don't go too deep inside because it will damage the LCD and the ribbons, because there are ribbons on the inside of the screen. Set that aside, lift her up, and I usually grab the two ribbons pretty much wherever they connect and then just pull up at both of them, and they usually come apart without breaking the ribbons. So, set the screen aside. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and unscrew the board. Take the screw out. Next, you will see this ribbon. Pry that up. There's going to be another ribbon underneath this plastic piece. You will have to hold the plastic piece with your other hand and lift up with the ribbon and get it out of the plastic piece. It's okay if the plastic piece gets a little bent. It's no big deal. So after that, just go from the inside, just pry up. You will hear a slight crack. Don't go deep inside with your flathead screwdriver because you will damage some resistors, and just pull out. At that point, you pretty much got everything. To unhook the battery, you just pull up and it disconnects. And whenever you're putting the battery in, you just push down and it reconnects. Set the board aside. Let's get the battery out. Set that aside. Get the replacement battery. Put the battery back where it belongs. Reconnect it to the board. Since we pulled out the board, now the board goes inwards. It first has to go into the slit, and make sure this thing is visible. Next, once the board is in, you'll go ahead and pry up that plastic piece with your hand. Grab a flathead screwdriver. Just push down the first ribbon that you will have to connect. Push the plastic piece back down. And with the other ribbon, you also do the same thing. You'll hear it click in, and that's when you know it's all ready to go. And then get the Phillips screwdriver and screw the screw. Back to where it needs to go. First, the small ribbon goes into its spot. Bigger one goes into there, and you will see that there's a bunch of resistors and a bunch of filters. You will have to push that thing in. While we do that, go ahead and add some B7000. a good amount because you will need it water resistant, sweat resistant. It gets pretty messy, but at the end, B7000 does always come off. So once the screen sits into there, grab a clamp or a rubber band. You can always use a rubber band and band it up. And that is how you replace the battery on a Garmin Vivoactive HR. Thanks for watching, guys.